Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and I am here to explain you about Microsoft Office Suite. Yes, anyone wants to enter into computer era and computer system to be understanding and making things to be automation in computer every office. So all you need to start learning these techniques from Microsoft Office, where you need to start Microsoft Word to making a letters, Excel to making a spreadsheet, calculations, salaries, accounting system and analysis, reports, much more using a great formulas which will enables you to think logically, more productively. This all the way you will be make a master in your office and also creating a great stunning presentations. How super easy and all over saving much more time to making a save your and increasing your office productivity. Is this all are possible for everyone? Maybe coding or non-coding, and maybe the person into the IT or non-IT. Is it possibly to learn Microsoft Office Suite skills? Yes, it's really super easy techniques we have added Microsoft Office Suite, which is a 2021 and Office 365. Want to try more? Find the below description link. I'm sharing you much more information at single course.